Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the sound settings so you can change audio processing. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar, then choose Sound Settings. Once the panel opens, locate the output device. Make sure the device you want to change is selected because spatial sound is per output. If you use multiple outputs, repeat these steps later. Now, scroll to the Spatial Sound section or click the Device Properties link so you can access the spatial audio toggle and format options. Once in Device Properties, find the Spatial Sound dropdown and switch it to off. This disables Windows processing like Dolby Atmos or Windows Sonic for that device. If spatial sound is grayed out, click Additional Device Properties, then the Enhancements or Spatial Sound tab in the Legacy dialog to toggle it there. Make sure to apply or save changes, and then test audio playback to confirm the effect. If you use a headset with its own app, disable spatial features there too so Windows and the app don't conflict. To finish, close the settings and restart any audio apps so they pick up the new configuration. Sometimes a full reboot is faster, so do that if sound behaves oddly. If spatial sound reappears, open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, and update, roll back, or reinstall the driver. This fixes driver-enforced features. Make sure manufacturer apps, firmware, or USB DAC settings aren't forcing spatial modes. Disable them there if necessary. One tip: test with a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.